Have dogs in this space regularly. Well, they used to.
Just to give you an idea about healthy soil, and we'll have a look at other soils. When you dig up a plant like this, the soil actually should stick to the roots, and that is an indication of, I had the slide there of the root exudates, the sugars coming out of the plant root. The soil particles are stuck to that sugary root exudation. It's an indication that things are sort of going okay. If there's a lot of that, almost like dreadlocks. Some of these, it's not ideal, but it's going in the right direction.
This would be a better part of its development. This is the...
No, this is the worm. This is the worm. This is our worm part.
Have a dig here with this hay. You better yell out when we got to go.
Yeah, well, we've come in at the rate, so it's nearly 10, but I was just thinking maybe go a little
so that we could get the best advice.
Could you dramatic somewhere where it's pretty good here? Or?
Where do you want me to dig?
There's been hay here, so just dig here. If there's any difference, there will be.
Stand clear.
It's a lot healthier.
Half a metre wide, 3 metres deep.
Oh, good on you, Rog.
Yeah, try to keep the clod together. It's certainly a lot softer in there, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot softer.
Yeah.
Huh.
That smells different too.
Different species.
Yeah, that smells better. There's not a lot of smell to it.
Tastes like dirt.
But it does smell better. There's been hay put here, and you'll see that a lot of that's related to ground cover, bit of more ground cover here and water holding capacity here. But yeah, you got down a long way there.
I've had a bit of practice, mate.